If so, you're in the right spot. In this video, we'll go into great detail on how much Tesla stock you need to retire and enjoy life. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to leave a like. Furthermore, join our channel. You are undoubtedly already aware that Cathie Wood is well known for supporting Tesla's stock and its prospects for long-term growth. She has previously complimented the management team of the company, highlighting their ability to allocate capital effectively. This includes their choice to participate in share buybacks, which she has supported as a way to give shareholders their money back and possibly raise the stock price. In fact, Cathie Wood's investment firm, ARK Invest, has held a sizable stake in Tesla stock for a while. Given her prior support for this strategy and her long-term bullish outlook on the company, it seems likely that Cathie Wood would view Tesla's plan to engage in another buyback favorably. However, it's important to note that her specific thoughts on this matter have not been publicly stated, and she may have additional factors to consider before making a definitive statement on the matter. We can only assume that participating in this buyback is her plan. What would you do if you were given the opportunity to make a buyback in Tesla, and how much would you need to actually retire to start? Let's find out how many Teslas there are in the world. Full-stop driving will probably cost $28. If it costs $8,000 in 2020, $10,000 in 2021, and $12,000 in 2022. This indicates that Tesla is confident that if FSD becomes a reality, which seems likely, it will be a money-making machine for them. Up until 2030, we will pay a one-time fee of $28,000 based on some studies. By 2031, it appears that they can reach $64, which is a proven fact. If that happens, Tesla will be another cash cow for the man. It's just software, a big upsell, and they benefit handsomely from it, so we'll leave it at $62 by 2030. The sales of the vehicles in FSD now total $50,000 each vehicle. The typical vehicle sold by 2030 is a bit more than that due to supply and demand. But we want to be cautious and save $50,000. Although the actual percentage is closer to 30%, the cars are placed at 25%. Every car sold will result in pre-split profit shares worth $1.55 billion. By 2030, they will have 1.5 billion shares outstanding, which is unlikely because there is no reason for them to dilute that many shares when they are making that much money. Instead, they should be doing buybacks or dividends. But Tesla has stated that they are not interested in paying dividends. This amount will change when they announce the stock split in June, July, or October. 1.5 EPS is pre-split and tracks standing shares. When the stock split occurs, EPS will be adjusted, and PE was maintained at 40 as close to reality as possible. I believe Tesla will trade for less than $40 by 2030, most likely $50 or more. In this video, the average monthly expense in North America is over $5,000, or $3,000 annually for a family of two. Let's be selfish and assume that you wish to retire the shares separately. That's a completely different matter. With a monthly average expense of $3,200 and an average inflation rate of 3% until 2030, the average monthly expense decreases to slightly over $4,000 yearly, or $40,000, $20. But let's say you want to enjoy yourself and don't want to live a penurious lifestyle. The S&P 500 offers 8 to 10% annually, but we'll be conservative and say 7% given the SP's yearly return of 7%. If you want to withdraw $5,000 by 2030, you'll need to sell your Tesla shares for about $850,000. Put the proceeds into the S&P 500, and you'll live for up to 50 years, which is remarkable. With the knowledge that investing in Tesla is best done in the mid to late 40s, with an expected return of 7%, and a target of $850,000, we can concentrate on our monthly expenses and how much we need to cover them. Based on the data, we can see that there are currently only two sectors, food and auto sales, including our projections. We don't currently have enough data to include energy insurance or Tesla's other ventures, like solid precedents or robot taxes, but what we do have is solid and reliable. To retire on $5,000 per month for 50 years, you need to have $850,000 in your portfolio by 2030. In order to do this, we only need 98 shares of Tesla stock. In the worst-case scenario, this would only cost about $98,000 to invest, assuming that the market stays stable. If we commit to not wasting money and save and invest wisely, we can retire worry-free in just 8 years. In the best-case scenario, We would need 79 shares, which would cost approximately $79,000. Assuming that Tesla sells 25 million cars, yield returns of 10x in just 8 years, or even 66x if they sell 30 million vehicles. For those who have already invested, it is advised to wait for the market to recover, as it always does. At this time, our projections only take into account Tesla's car sales and fully autonomous driving (FSAD) capabilities. They do not account for other ventures like solar energy storage or Tesla insurance. In 2019, ARK Invest made a bold prediction that Tesla stock could reach a price of $4,000 per share in the next 5 years. This prediction was based on their analysis of Tesla's potential to dominate the electric vehicle market and other related industries, as well as the impact of the company's buybacks on the stock price since then. This is one of the most well-known experiences of big income from buybacks of Tesla. Tesla's stock price has skyrocketed, and ARK Investor has profited handsomely from it. In fact, some reports state that ARK Investor's investment in Tesla has increased by more than 1,100% since 2017, with a large chunk of that increase originating from Tesla's buybacks. Furthermore, Tesla's own buyback program has been quite effective in raising the value of the company's shares in 2020. Since announcing plans to repurchase up to $5 billion in shares, Tesla's stock price has increased dramatically. As of early 2023, the firm has a market capitalization of over $1 trillion, ranking it among the most valuable companies in the world overall. In conclusion, we can expect Tesla to be around for a very long time because of its valuable business and buyback program, which have both positively impacted the company's stock price and contributed to its recent growth and success. It's important to note that these projections are based on conservative estimations and assumptions. To retire with Tesla stocks, we only need a small number of shares, and we can achieve financial stability and peace of mind with careful investments and a long-term perspective. While we can't be certain if Cassie was precise about her thoughts on the Tesla buyback plans, we can still thank you for watching this video about how much Tesla stock you need to retire and enjoy life. Investing in Tesla can be a great opportunity for long-term growth. Cathie Wood's investment firm, ARK Invest. Tesla aims to obtain. It's clear that Tesla is well on their way to achieving their goals with constant innovation and strategic moves, has been a significant holder of Tesla stock. If you're considering taking part in this buyback, it's important to consider your long-term financial goals and how much you need to retire comfortably. Having said that, always remember that investing involves risks and that it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. It's also reasonable to assume that she may view it favorably given her previous support of the strategy and her bullish outlook on the company. Remember to give this video a high five. Like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking videos like this one. We'll see you in the upcoming International.